What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech. Today we're going to take a look at some case offerings from Caseology for your Google Pixel 4 XL. All of these cases are under $15, ranging from $11 to $15. So if you're interested in picking them up, check out my video link description where you can just click and buy. But let's go ahead and check out the Caseology lineup for your Google Pixel 4 XL. We have 4 cases from Caseology: the Parallax Edition, Solid Flex Crystal Edition, Skyfall Edition, and then the Legion. Starting at the top of the pack, this is the Parallax, and on the back of it, you can see that Caseology is always ready for impact. Always. You get a lifetime limited warranty. You also get shock absorbent premium material, and it's been drop tested 26 times. Definitely awesome when they drop test for us. I really don't want to drop test my phone personally. Taking a look at the inside, nothing else in here. And let's just see what we get. We get a little thank you card over here. Thank you very much. Put that aside. So this is the Parallax. You can see you have a little company branding right on the camera bump right over there. Caseology, and then a logo on the bottom. Has a nice texture. You can see that. A really nice texture on the back, helping you with that kung fu grip. This is a 2-part style case, if you can see there, but you're never going to have to take this off. The inside TPU case does its job, but this outer plastic ring really will absorb that shock if it falls on the corner on the side. This plastic ring will absorb most of that shock and keep you safe. On the inside, shock absorbing material right in here. And you can feel it. That's definitely going to shock absorb. This is your front lip protection. This is your bird's eye view of your drop protection on the front. Really a nice amount for a small, slim fitting case. Just take a look at that, guys. On the bottom, all of your cutouts are perfect. Little oversized for your third-party accessories. Of course, wireless charging is going to work perfectly. Here are your buttons. Easily pressable. No problems with these buttons whatsoever. And they actually feel pretty nice as well. Not going to lie. On the back, your camera protection, definitely on point. Take a look at that camera protection. Really a nice amount again for a slim, form-fitting style case. And I like this design. On the back, really helps with that kung fu grip when you're holding your phone, just like this. No issues with gripping this case. Really an awesome design if you ask me. The next one we're going to take a look at is the Solid Flex Crystal. Same shock-absorbing premium material. 26 times they've dropped it for us. Again, nothing in here, and this is really going to show off the beauty of your phone. With that name Crystal, you know that this gel skin type of case is really just going to show off your phone. Actually, really easy to hold. You know these gel skins are actually really grippy, so no issues with this at all. There's a little G logo right on the bottom, and if you notice something really cool, you can see that the bumpers have a little bit of air cushion technology in them. So this will help protect your phone if you happen to drop it and it hits on that corner. I can actually hear the little gap between the phone and the case as I hit it on its corner. So this will definitely do its job. I really like that. Gives you a little bit more protection in a really slim case. Here's the front lip protection, giving you that 360 bird's eye view. Again, this is a slim style case. This is a gel style case, but it gives you enough amount of lip protection. So if you do place your phone face first on a table at the bar, wherever you are, you know your screen is not going to get scratched up. You have a little company branding again, Caseology right over there. Cutouts are all perfect as you would imagine from Caseology. Your buttons feel really nice. No issues with these buttons whatsoever. Right on the buttons, it says Caseology, Irvine, California, made in South Korea, Pixel 4 XL. So if you ever forget what model phone you have, just take a look at the side of your case and it'll let you know. On the back, your camera is protected. No issues with that camera protection. The next one we're taking a look at is the Skyfall series. Floor meets your match. I think that's actually pretty catchy because it's been dropped 26 times once again. All these Caseology cases that I'm reviewing have been dropped 26 times, so we don't have to. And again, thank you very much. So thankfully, someone really smart, they feel my struggles, they feel my pain. You have these pull tabs now, which actually just came apart. So never mind about the pull tab. Hopefully you'll have better luck. All right, I gotta stop the camera. I'll be right back. So these cases have been drop tested 26 times, but the hardest part about it is taking off this film. We finally got it from behind the camera. Took a little bit of time. This is also a 2-part style case that you're never going to have to take off. You do have that plastic rail on the outside, which helps with that little bit of protection. So this one is the Skyfall series, and it matches really well with the Panda Edition Google Pixel 4 XL. If you take a look, you get the black rails, and you also get to see that power button, that orange power button, and your black volume up and down. It's just a little bit of a see-through type of volume rocker design and power button design. I actually like that. Thumbs up for that design choice, whoever came up with that. Really a cool idea. Easy to press, no issues whatsoever. The only thing I might say is that the buttons are a little bit flush on this case, so it might be a little bit hard to distinguish which is which when you're pulling this out of your pocket, but not really a big deal. This is your 360 bird's eye view. Take a look at your front lip protection, and I'm really feeling this two-toned action, the clear and the black rails on the side. Really an awesome design choice. Mimics the Panda Edition very nicely. On the side, it says Caseology right over there. It doesn't let you know that you have a Pixel 4 under the volume rocker. And it's just an overall nice looking case with all the cutouts perfect. Little oversized once again for your third-party accessories. Really a nice looking case. Definitely if you have the Panda White, this might be the case to get. Really mimics the design choices of the Google Pixel 4 and just gives you an overall nice looking case. Just take a look again, this crystal clear outer ring, and then you have this matte black on the outside. Super, super awesome design choice. Can't say that enough. Let me just show you that again. You can see that shimmer and shine. Again, Skyfall series right over there. Last one we're going to take a look at is the Legion series. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what this one is all about. Looking at the Legion style, you get this carbon fiber kind of design on the top and the bottom here. Just take a look at that one. On the inside, shock absorbing texture right over there. This is your front lip protection. This is your 360 bird's eye view. Just check out all the amount of lip protection on this case over here. Buttons feel really nice, and these ones are raised a little bit. You can see that. No issues with these buttons. Again, a really nice design. You go from a shimmery black, glossy black to a matte black. Definitely looks nice on the Google Pixel. You get a little accent color from your camera bump, and your camera is well protected. Take a look at that camera protection. No issues whatsoever. Little company branding on the side. You get that Kung Fu grip with this case. You get that Kung Fu grip with all of these cases. And I actually like this carbon fiber look. Looks super, super cool. Little Caseology logo right on the bottom. This has just been a look at some case offerings from Caseology for your Google Pixel 4 XL or your Google Pixel 4. And take a look at these transparent buttons once again on the Skyfall series. Definitely an awesome looking case. I always appreciate you guys watching. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that share, hit that like, and I'll catch you guys in another video.